एवरी गॉड टाइम टाइम। मेरे को चेकलिस्ट बनानी ही पड़ेगी भाई। आई नो आई एम गेटिंग लेट एंड आई एम सॉरी आकाश, कोल्ड स्टार्ट तो करनी पड़ेगी भाई।
ये सब संस्कारों का खेल है।
2 मिनट। ओके आ गया नीचे, लेट्स गो। अनदर नाइट एंड अनदर अंधेरी। ऑफ कोर्स अंधेरी, इधर से सीधा जाएंगे तो अंधेरी पहुंचेंगे। एंड गेस व्हाट, आई रिमेंबर्ड टू चेंज माय वाइजर एंड गेट अ क्लियर वन। लोकल है भाई, लोकल है, लोकल है। एंड आई फाइनली गॉटन माय क्लियर वाइजर गाइस। सो मेरी आंखें दिखने वाली है तुम लोग को। सैडली माय पिन लॉक हैज कॉट फंगस आउट ऑफ ऑल प्लेसेस। माय पिन लॉक हैज सम वियर्ड fungus on it. It is because of the moisture, so I'm not going to use that on this clear visor. But the problem with that is that my visor is fogging up constantly because of my hot breath, you know. But ठीक है, as long as I'm on the move, I'll be fine. But it's good to have a clear vision in the night, guys. Never ever wear dark visors while in the night, guys. Please, guys. Safety is of utmost priority. There it clears up completely. Close call हो जाता है. It is not his fault. It is not his fault. It is not the Activa guy's fault. It is that damn bullet rider's fault. वे जब तुम फॉलो नहीं करते हो खुद रूल्स, तो दूसरे रूल्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं वो भी तुम्हें नहीं दिखता. Which is why guys, follow the rules and get habitual of it. We've got some eyeballs. ये एक नया मसला आ गया है भाई ये फॉगी वाइजर का. प्रॉब्लम इज दैट I'll have to thoroughly clean the pin lock that I've got. I'm thinking to get I'm not really a fan of those big screens on your dash, especially on a cafe racer like this, which is like known to be minimal, right? So I'm not a fan of that, but now out of sheer necessity, I feel like I need to have at least my phone screen for maps. Like Google nowadays has gotten very dodgy. अभी एकदम क्लियर विजन है. क्या मेरी आंखें तुम्हें नजर आ रही है? मेरी आंखों की गुस्ताखियाँ. I'm supposed to reach at 11:30 at Worli and it is already 11:16. थोड़ी सी दिक्कत तो है. Where am I headed? Well, it is 25th of February and Ramzan is going on. Me and my channel is known for secular feelings, you know, secular in all terms of bike brands, secular in all religions, secular in whether you're a diljala or not. I'm secular that way. So I thought क्यों ना थोड़ा घूमा जाए. I've never had iftari kind of a food. So I was like, chal, let's give it a try. And I myself don't know jack shit about iftari and where to find good food in Mumbai, South Mumbai especially. So I've got a guide today. Now I don't know how much he knows, but I'm assuming that he knows. I hope that he's not assuming that I know. I'll give you context. I'm going to be meeting a comedian today. I'm going to be meeting Akash Mehta today, aka Kuch Bhi Mehta. I'm pretty sure many of you heard of him or I've seen him. He's a stand-up comedian and he's just yesterday bought a new bike for himself. That's right, guys. I may be secular, but I'm trying to convert regular guys into bikers. No, but I mean, he was into motorcycling since a while, which is why he started watching my videos. And then, you know, we became friends. And he's finally gotten a bike for himself after a long time, a mid-capacity bike. He's gotten a Hunter 350. And he was like, why not go on a night ride? एंड नाइट राइड इसलिए बिकॉज और कोई टाइम ही कहाँ बचा है मुंबई में चलाने के लिए. वेल अभी भी कुछ खास जगह है नहीं चलाने के लिए, बट ठीक है. वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू बौरी मोहल्ला. दैट्स क्वाइट फेमस इज व्हाट आकाश टोल्ड मी एंड आई हैव नेवर हर्ड ऑफ दिस थिंग. सो आई लुक्ड इट अप एंड टर्न्स आउट इट्स क्वाइट कूल. क्या बात है, एक इलेक्ट्रिक एक आइस व्हीकल को कंधा देते हुए. हाउ द टर्न्स हैव टेबल्ड. So initially the plan was for the three of us, me, Akash and Hussain. But then Hussain got busy last moment, so he couldn't make it. So we were like, chal theek hai, we'll only do our single ride. अब मौका है, दस्तूर है, कर लेते हैं यार, राइट? ओके, वी रीच्ड आवर रिक्लेमेशन। यहाँ से कितना दूर है मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा। 11:45। ओके, टिल द सिग्नल इज ऑन कल्टी मार देते हैं। एंड द थिंग इज दैट आई हैव डन क्रिसमस, आई हैव डन ईद। ये गणपति और इसमें ही दिवाली में ही नहीं आ पाता मैं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई एम एट माई होम, राइट? सो ओनली ईद एंड क्रिसमस आर माई अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू experience Mumbai's festivals. और अब -10,000 होते होते बच गया भाई का। Oh, inline Creta. That's a rare find. How does that even work, dude? Like, Creta is a crossover. What is a Creta? It is not an SUV. Is it an MPV? I don't think so. Who are you? So then, like, do they stiffen up the inline Creta? क्या किया उन लोग ने? But I'm assuming there must be some difference. But then a stiffer Creta that is not as comfortable. How does that make sense? Creta is supposed to be a family car, na, or a cab, but it is inherently supposed to be comfortable. So how does it even work? It is an oxymoron. Gutka gang. Ah, fucking hell. You, dude. What fucking idiot, dude. What fucking idiot. क्या कर रहा है भाई? दिल जला through and through. He waited for me to pull over, huh? He waited for me to pull. As soon as I pulled, he was like, "चल अब करते रहे." दिल जला in and out, like pure bred दिल जला.
Sunama chocolate.
That's a दिल जला in his natural habitat. Looks like I've reached. Let me check. किधर है भाई अपना? That was a दिल जला in his pure form, huh? Peak form. मेरा भाई फोन नहीं उठा रहा यार. He must be on his way. I'm assuming. I'm just hoping. But that's the thing with me, man. I don't want to give them the joy of getting to race in their own imaginary world. But there's one thing. In his own hypothetical world. Hi. Yes.
Hi.
What's your name?
Saurabh.
Nice to meet you, bhai. Where were you going?
Going to home, I was just.
Acha, night walk.
I saw the bike.
Glad we met. Glad you live here.
Yeah.
Nice. Sure. Nice to meet you, bhai. Pleasure. See you. Why have I kept the engine running? What's wrong with me, dude? How is my drip check looking? It is completely not my thing to do a drip check. Yes sir, किधर हो? What's up? क्या बात है? Shiny new bike. Congratulations, brother. Very nice. Looks nice.
I would not have gotten it without you.
अरे नहीं भाई, of course not. ये मेरे को नहीं पता था ये कलर नया है शायद. Because उन्होंने मेरे को लॉन्च पे बुलाया था, which happened in Mumbai. ये नहीं था उसमें. Yes. Do you know the way? चलेगा. Okay, we are now headed to Worli Sea Face. See, the thing is that I've been to these places, but I don't know what is called what. So this place that he's told, वो है कहीं पे तो I know. वो Worli Sea Face है कि नहीं है वो पता नहीं. Oh yeah, this is Worli Sea Face. Yeah, I know guys. I always knew. The reason that we are taking so easy is because my bro hasn't finished his, quite obviously he hasn't finished his first service, so he can't go past a particular RPM to break in, right? Which is why I first asked him कि भाई where we go depends on your service. Is your service done? He was like no. तो बोला फिर कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, अपन को एकदम easy चलानी पड़ेगी, तो ऐसे ही सिटी में घुमा लेंगे. अगर हाँ थोड़ा सा रहता कि भाई हाँ चलो अपन थोड़ा मस्ती कर सकते हैं, तो we would have gone to Palm Beach Road. I would have hopefully also seen Atharva there, but there's Arafia as well, yeah.
That sounds so fucking good coming up behind me.
अभी कितना जा सकते हैं? कितना आरपीएम बोला है उन्होंने?
तो इधर RPM का डायल नहीं है, मैं
अच्छा
मेरे को घंटा समझ में नहीं आता. डुक ठीक है, डिग
हाँ राइट.
बट 70 के नीचे रखने बोला है.
Oh yeah, this is Adisha Ambani Bungalow. See, I know this place, guys. Come on, guys. I know enough of Mumbai. Hey, G-Wagon, 2 G-Wagons. No wonder. भाई भारत की पॉपो है तो फिर पैसे की क्या कमी रहेगी. Imagine being so rich that you have to park your G-Wagons out on the footpath, dude. I mean, that is some unreal level of richness, dude. भाई मेरे पास G-Wagon रहती ना, मैं सो जाता उसमें. मतलब कहाँ पे? G-Wagon के अंदर नहीं, मैं बेडरूम में ले जाके उसके बाजू में सोता. But imagine the richness. You're parking your G-Wagons, your spare G-Wagons out on the road. बस जगह नहीं है भाई पार्किंग के लिए. I got a call from someone on my other phone. इस टाइम पे कौन क्या रहेगा भाई? 12 बजे कॉल. वो इंडियन मेंटालिटी है ना कि 10, साढ़े 10, 11 बजे के बाद अगर किसी अनएक्सपेक्टेड पर्सन का कॉल आने लग जाए ना, सोचो समझो कोई तो मर गया. I am guessing it may be Hussein because turns out he is going to see us, but only for some time. We are at Marine Drive. Man, it is something about these yellow lights, dude. Mumbai and yellow lights is a match made in heaven. Bachelors ice cream. Thank God I'm not married. My bike currently is in a sweet state of flow. Like it's very smooth. Gears are butter. The engine is nice and warm. It is surely throwing some hot air on my shin, but feels nice. Look at how butter smooth the gears are right now. Don't even need clutch. Look at that. अपन अभी क्या मरीन ड्राइव पे रुक रहे हैं या कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Human point पे हुसैन आ गया. मेरे को आई थिंक उसी का 2 मिस कॉल आया है.
हाँ मेरे को भी आया, मतलब वही रहेगा.
ये पैर तक तेरे इंजन का गर्मी आ रहा है.
See, I told you it is throwing some nice hot air. You know you're hot when your fellow riders complain about the heat next to you. I'll have to watch out for an XUV. Sorry, what is that? BE6. A BE6. Thank you. Hey. अरे my other phone is connected to my intercom. इसलिए कैसे हो भाई? All good. Eid Mubarak. Actually हाँ रमजान.
Hello.
Finally.
Finally.
After what, a year of talk? Oh, you bought cam and all also. Ready to go.
Damn, so I bought preemptively.
SD कार्ड वगैरह सब खाली करके बैठे थे भाई.
रिश्तों के भी रूप बदलते हैं.
A few moments later.
We've got Mohammad Hussain. We've got Mr. Akash Mehta for the first time.
Yes.
And myself.
This is boost mode. So it's right now I'm driving in everyday mode, which is the mode I like most. But in its race mode, the full 285 horsepower you get.
But then that's exactly why I asked you to give me a ride.
Yeah. Okay.
Fuck!
Within speed limits only.
Crazy,
not,
bro.
of course, since the camera is rolling, we are not,
No, but we don't do it anyway.
Yeah.
This is just a simulation, guys. AI hai, AI.
So you can see me, all these people wanna get dropped on all these people.
And just like clockwork, the moment life sees me having a good time, it decides to restore balance. This time, my helmet mic decided to give up. And everything after this was mute. Thankfully, the 360 camera got some sound to salvage something. And since there's no point in showing silent clips, here's a quick version. We rode down to the Bohri Mohalla and smashed some unreal mutton kebabs and nihari. I was too anxious to pull my camera out in the crowd, so I conveniently generated a few images on ChatGPT to recreate the scenes. They are not exactly what happened, but close enough. Okay, wait, that definitely didn't happen. ChatGPT needs to hesitate. I then said goodbye to Akash and Hussein and headed home, but ran into some Diljalas on my way. But had to stop right after to change my camera batteries, and that's when these guys came up to me and asked my channel name. After clicking a few pictures with them and requesting multiple times,
भाई लोग हेलमेट पहनना प्लीज, अच्छा रहता है, सेफ रहता है.
I somehow managed to convince the rider to at least wear a helmet. It was a small win, but we'll take it. I then continued my ride home, but stopped midway to click a few pictures and videos of my GT in the beautiful yellow lights of Mumbai. It was a fun little ride. Could have been better if the mic hadn't betrayed me, but काम करने जाओ और कांड ना हो तो वो काम ही कैसा. I hope you enjoyed this slightly dysfunctional ride, and I'll see you next week, hopefully with a working audio. Thank you for watching.
Bonus.
अभी until आएगा ये देख. Guys, I know this city in and out. अभी तो मैं एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया ना. अभी वो लोग कैसा अंबानी अंकल वगैरह थोड़ा जल्दी सो जाते हैं 9:30-10 बजे. नहीं तो फिर मैं चला जाता यार, बिकॉज दे गेट वेरी अपसेट इफ आई कम हियर एंड डोंट गो विजिट देम ना. दे गेट वेरी वेरी अपसेट. तो मैं बोला चल ठीक है, थोड़ा सा उनको पता ना चले ऐसे टाइम पे आता हूँ. तो अच्छा नहीं लगता यार, मतलब कैसा वो एरोगेंस फील होता है. और अपन बहुत ही डाउन टू अर्थ बंदा है भाई.
आप यहाँ आ जाए.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.